I think this is a really important example of a much bigger trend that's happening in the stock market, which is that retail investors now have access to so much information that it's almost on parity with people that work in traditional investment organizations. And what we've seen is that's happened is that the quality of that analysis and the ability to see around the corner is as good and in many cases better than traditional investment firms and the way they view the problem. So from day one, you have had this massive tension between the bulls and the bears on this company. And the bulls basically saw a long-term trend around electrification, and the bears tried to play with balance sheet mathematics. Of course, if I said, you can sell 90,000 cars, but then if you negative sell 100,000, you've not sold 10,000. And you would say, what does any of this mean? You can use any convoluted logic to try to be short this stock, and what you would have done is just lost an enormous amount of money. And so what we're going to see now is that the stock is going to become part of the S&P 500. It is the leading edge when it comes to electrification and decarbonization. And here's the thing, Andrew, what the bulls will get right and what the bears will ignore from here is that this is no longer about cars. That's the first wave of growth. And I think people are pricing in an evisceration of traditional autos and an enormous shift to EVs, of which Tesla will get the disproportionate share. So now what is the bet? If you ask me,
in a world where invention ignites curiosity and the future is revealed as a seductive enigma, one man takes the stage to reveal Tesla's fate. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to an exciting, visionary, and profoundly transforming adventure. In this riveting film, we explore the thoughts of contemporary financial investigator Chamath Palihapitiya as he unearths the convertible bonds from Tesla that hold hidden riches. However, it's more than simply figures here. It's about feeling the pulse of a business that is changing the world. The focus of Chamath Palihapitiya's first session is Tesla's convertible bonds, which are regarded as a crucial tactical investing option. This viewpoint aligns with his bullish assessment of Tesla's future, particularly with regard to his prediction that the company's stock will reach $3,000. Palihapitiya's emphasis on these bonds suggests that they believe they provide a safe way to profit from Tesla's anticipated growth without the usual dangers. This approach shows a deep understanding of both Tesla's groundbreaking promise and the complex nature of investment planning. It also indicates a blend of optimism in Tesla's future and a cautious investment approach. For those who are paying attention, Palihapitiya's strategy is a monument to Tesla's revolutionary influence in the automotive and energy industries, not merely a clever business move. The corporation is changing consumer tastes and market trends with its advancements in electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. Tesla has distinguished itself in a crowded market with its focus on sustainability and cutting-edge technology. It's a more comprehensive vision of environmental stewardship and technology advancement than just autos. The wider significance of Tesla's approach is what makes this situation interesting. It is more concerned with long-term market transformation than it is with short-term profits. Tesla's strategy, which is sometimes seen through an ambitious and risk-taking lens, also aims to reframe the perception of electric cars and sustainable energy. The corporation is changing the face of transportation with its attempts to create advanced battery technology and autonomous driving capabilities. Palihapitiya's spots provide a distinct perspective for viewers interested in the investment component. It combines a keen financial plan with faith in an organization's game-changing mission. This dual strategy emphasizes how crucial it is to comprehend both the market potential of a business such as Tesla and the resources that investors can utilize to be involved in the company's expansion. As Palihapitiya indicated, the possibility that Tesla stock may hit $3,000 is based on the company's ongoing efforts to innovate, grow its customer base, and play a crucial part in the world's transition to renewable energy sources. The trajectory of Tesla is not merely the story of a business. It is the story of transforming how the world perceives and utilizes energy in transportation. This viewpoint on Tesla's convertible bonds and overall market strategy serves as a helpful reminder to our viewers of the complexity involved in investing in innovation and technology. Understanding the mission, the technology, and the global impact of a firm like Tesla is just as important as looking at the bottom line. Following Tesla's progress is intriguing whether you're an investor, a tech enthusiast, or just interested in the shift towards sustainable energy. This, in my opinion, is a very significant illustration of a much larger trend in the stock market. Ordinary investors now have access to so much information that they are nearly as knowledgeable as those who work for traditional investment firms. And as that has transpired, we have observed that the caliber of that analysis and the capacity to let go of the bonds when predicting the future of innovative companies like Tesla. Chamath Palihapitiya employs a critical eye on the use of traditional financial models. He makes the observation that these conventional methods might not be able to adequately capture the spirit of quickly changing, innovation-driven industries. This viewpoint emphasizes how important it is to have a greater understanding of technology-focused companies that are driven by innovation and disruption. According to him, conventional financial models frequently fall short of capturing the dynamic character and growth pathways of businesses like Tesla that are at the forefront of technology advancement and industry evolution. Palihapitiya's knowledge is essential for viewers, particularly those who are interested in investments and the tech sector. It highlights the fact that conventional financial estimates are ill-suited to capture the subtleties and complexity of businesses such as Tesla. These businesses are about more than simply figures on a spreadsheet. They symbolize a change in the way we think about technology, business, and the future. Specifically, Tesla is a representation of this new era. Its journey in the renewable energy and electric car spaces is about more than simply revenue projections and market shares. It's about redefining our perceptions of energy used in transportation. This is an organization that is changing industries, pushing limits, and questioning the status quo. Once more, it's critical to remember that entities outside their financials are being discussed when discussing corporations such as Tesla. They're innovators, and change-heralding agents. This is the reason a conventional financial model, while ideal for a conventional business, could fall short of fully encapsulating the potential of a company such as Tesla. Palihapitiya's critique advocates for a more comprehensive and wide-ranging approach to the analysis of these companies. It's important to see behind the financial results, comprehend the company's mission, and acknowledge the potential global influence these businesses may have. This method is very useful for analysts and investors who want to know where innovation and technology are headed. Palihapitiya's message to viewers and investors is, in essence, very clear. One needs to go beyond traditional financial analysis in order to fully understand the potential of cutting-edge companies like Tesla. It's important to comprehend the mission, the narrative, and the revolutionary potential these businesses possess. This is the secret to gaining a more profound and perceptive awareness of where the future is going, particularly in fields where innovation and change are constant drivers. Now, as we delve more into Tesla's potential, Chamath Palihapitiya reveals an intriguing analogy that prepares us for a major change in viewpoint. He compares Tesla to Apple, the industry titan, not just to show off the magnitude of the markets, but also to highlight something much more interesting. This contrast highlights Tesla's remarkable ability to design items that become cultural icons by appealing to a broad audience. See, it's not just about the figures, rather, it's about the innovation spirit that emanates from Tesla. Palihapitiya's analogy cuts across sectors and heralds Tesla as a game changer, not just in the car industry, but also as a leader in the worldwide shift to sustainable technologies. It's a call to break free from the chains of tradition as he highlights Tesla's ability to redefine consumer expectations. It's a rallying cry for a world ready to welcome change and for customers who hunger for something extraordinary. Palihapitiya's optimistic assessment of Tesla's stock price is more than just wishful thinking. It demonstrates his persistent faith in a business that defies convention. It's a recognition that Tesla is more than simply a competitor in the market. Rather, it's a disruptor, a game changer, and a force shaping futures. This story reflects how technology and consumer behavior are changing. As the conductor of a revolution in a world where consumers want sustainability and cutting-edge technology, Tesla is leading a symphony of invention and expectations. Tesla is more than simply an option. It's a ray of optimism and a guarantee of a brighter tomorrow. Therefore, keep in mind that Tesla's distinctiveness extends beyond market reports and spreadsheets as we look over the future. Rather, it is a force that breaks down barriers, redefines industries, and invites everyone to be a part of something truly remarkable. We'd encourage you to read more of Chamath Palihapitiya's analysis for a more thorough look at his predictions about Tesla's future. You'll come away from this adventure inspired as much as educated. The commercial potential of Tesla is more than simply a hot topic of discussion. It's a cry for change, an example of the strength of invention, and a window into a world where limitations are removed and opportunities are endless. Now, as we set off on the last part of this thrilling voyage, Chamath Palihapitiya shares a revelation that could be the secret to Tesla's explosive growth and its potential to reach $3,000. Palihapitiya highlights the critical role that visionary leadership plays in the success of technological enterprises in a crescendo of insight. However, this is more than simply a theoretical idea. It's a lens through which we might interpret the mystery surrounding Tesla's market valuation. The person at the center of this discovery is Elon Musk, a name that is synonymous with invention. Palihapitiya's perspective pays tribute to Musk's crucial role at Tesla, a role that goes beyond conventional leadership concepts. Palihapitiya's strategy goes beyond simply applauding Musk to acknowledge the real influence a visionary CEO can have on the future of a business. It's an admission that the bold vision and steadfast execution skills of its skipper determine success, more so than just financial indicators. Musk's leadership stands out in the context of Tesla as a driving force behind innovation, a shining example of forward thinking and a force for change. It serves as a reminder that every innovative business is led by a visionary who dares to dream large and, most importantly, makes those goals come true. As Palihapitiya's observations are revealed, it's clear that Tesla is more than just a car company, rather, it's a monument to the strength of inspiring leadership. The capacity of Musk to guide Tesla across technological and sustainable unexplored territory highlights the company's distinct direction. Thus, when we gaze into the crystal ball of Tesla's future, keep in mind that the company's driving force is just as important as its vehicles and stock. Palihapitiya's parting words of wisdom provide us with a special viewpoint that combines market effect, technological innovation, and leadership. This is a lesson that goes well beyond Tesla and touches on the core of the ever-changing fields of innovation and technology. In summary, Tesla's journey is a tale of visionaries changing the world rather than just a tale of figures and spreadsheets. As we get to the end of this insightful examination, keep in mind that individuals who have the courage to lead, dream big, and reinvent what's possible are the ones who will illuminate the way forward. The future is here and now, in the hands of visionaries. That's all there is to it, folks. In today's thorough examination, Chamath Palihapitiya provided a nuanced perspective on Tesla. He talked about the possibilities and safeguards of Tesla's convertible bonds as a wise investment. In addition, he criticized the use of conventional financial models by firms such as Tesla, arguing instead for a more comprehensive knowledge of creative industries. Palihapitiya further highlighted Tesla's broad market reach and potential by drawing comparisons between the company and Apple. Lastly, he emphasized the value of visionary leadership, highlighting Elon Musk's contribution to Tesla's success in particular. How do you feel about Palihapitiya's assessments of Tesla's leadership and market potential? How do you envision Tesla developing going forward? Please feel free to leave your comments in the space provided below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tesla Stock News in order to receive more thoughtful updates and conversations. We appreciate your time and will see you in our upcoming films.